Hey everybody, it's Adam with Honest Home Inspection. Today we're in my garage to look at one of the most common safety issues that we see when we're doing a home inspection. This garage door, when it comes down, is designed to bump into something and automatically go back up. It shouldn't take more than 10 pounds of pressure to make this door reverse. If it takes more than 10 pounds of pressure, it can be a safety issue. Thankfully, this setting can be easily adjusted on most garage door openers. So let's take a look at my garage door opener and see how we can adjust the force. The garage door opener in my house is made by Guardian. It's a 3/4 horsepower 600 SL. It is a belt-driven garage door opener. And one of the other things that we look for when we look at garage door openers is that it's plugged into an outlet. These things cannot be strung by extension cords. That can be a safety hazard. As we look at the back of this Guardian garage door opener, there are 5 buttons: the limit button, force, learn, up and down, and then a few lights off to the side, the OK, the up and the down. To adjust the force, you simply hold the force button for about 3 seconds until the up button or up light comes on. We can adjust, let's do that again. We can hit down to lessen the force required to reverse the garage door. When it hits, you have to be done at 1 second intervals. When it gets the least amount programmable, it double beeps, and you can hit the force button to program that in. It was already set at the maximum force, maximum allowable force. So let's see what it looks like with the least amount of force. Okay, so we've gone ahead and we've adjusted the force limits on this garage door opener. It was set to the maximum force before, and now as we lower it, it will probably take next to nothing to reverse the garage door. Feels about the same, honestly. This garage door is one of the newer types, so it is programmed for safety. It's not going to allow too much force, but on some of the older models, it could be a more significant difference, and those garage doors are really heavy when they're made out of wood. If you like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Feel free to share it as well. If you want to see more content, let us know at The Honest Inspector what kind of content you want to see, and we'll keep delivering videos like this. Take care and stay safe. In the garage, let's start that over.